This is Ron from ron2dj.com and we go for another video. Kanina nakuha natin itong device na to months ago na, pero napaka-importante kung i-unbox ko on this one po sa kailangan ng another resource sa mga naghahanap pa na ito. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019. Yes, 2019. Pero for this particular 2021, sakto na baka kayo naghahanap sa inyo ng mga chikiting na naghahanap ng entry level na Samsung tablet. Dahil wala masyadong nilalabas ang Samsung up to this time while we shoot on this one entry level. Currently ang price range nito is nasa as can go as low as 6,990 or it can go as high as 6,000 or sorry that's 8,380 bisa nakita nating listing ng kilalang tech retailer na ePhone sa Shopee. Di ba siya nagkaroon ng price adjustment on this one. To give you key specs, ito is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 425. May 8-inch WXGA display, tapos 2 gigs RAM, 32 gigs internal storage, tapos may LTE na to, Wi-Fi, and ang importante sa lahat, since malalaman nyo kung bakit kailangan kong i-unbox on this one. So ito yung harapan ng box. Tapos ito yung key specs, nabanggit ko na. Tapos meron din 8 megapixel na main camera, tapos 5,100 mAh battery, tapos yun nga, nabanggit ko na yung mga key specs. Meron siyang 2 megapixel front camera. So cut natin on this one to see more of this device. So, ito pa yung iba pang laman ng package ng Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019. May SIM ejector tool, lalabagin ko nga, may LTE support yung pinabanggit natin na tablet, tapos quick start guide, then warranty card. Tapos, ito pa yung charger na ito, which is tingnan natin yung focus yan, that's 5 volts 1.55 amperes, medyo alanganin. So sabihin natin nasa more than 7.5 watts no charging power on this one. So with the 5,100 mAh battery, tapos 7.5 watts, I guess ang charging time nitong tablet na to is nasa between 4 to 5 hours, I guess. May micro USB nga pala ang charging nitong Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019. Tapos ito yung harapan ng Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019. May white trimming on this one. Tapos pag bili mo on this one, although we got this one from Smart, so party to ng postpaid, wala siyang screen protector in this one. Ito yung 2 megapixel front cam, tapos ito yung 8-inch WXGA display, tapos sa likod in the silver trimming 8 megapixel main camera na walang naka usli, good one. Pero good to know na nakita namin sa Shopee, may mabibili ka pa na kahit mumurahin na case na can go as low as 80 pesos yung case na ito. Tapos Samsung logo, may trimming, tapos may NTC logo on this one, since provided doon ng Smart on this one. Tapos sa harap na or sa taas na ito yung 3.5 audio jack, tapos power unlock button, volume rocker, tapos sa kaliwang portion nandito yung micro SD and nano SIM slot, then micro USB port, pinhole microphone, then the round speakers, although we have to confirm this if talaga speakers on this one. Tapos ito yung itsura pag binoot mo for the first time yung Samsung Galaxy Tab A, obviously it's powered by Android. At pasensya na po ulit sa mga kumakol na so we're shooting this on a late night. So ito ang dahilan kung bakit importante na i-video natin to particular na entry level na Samsung tablet. Kasi kahit na 2019 release itong tablet ito, meron na tayong mga pre-install apps like ito MX Player. Meron na itong guess what? Pakita natin sa tablet. Nauna natin yung developer option. And sa software. Yan. Nakita nyo na. Meron ng update ng Android 11 which meron siyang One UI Core 3.1 based on Android 11. Nagkaroon muna ng ilang maigsing updates bago nakakuha tayo ng 1.5 GB na update which tumalon tayo sa Android 11 on this one. So even it is already a 2-year-old device, although we got this one within this year, good kudos for Samsung na nagkaroon ng Android 11 on this one. So meron tayong mga in-install na apps like Spotify, Speedtest, MX Player, even a Snapdragon 425 processor. And ang natira sa atin is nasa around 19 GB out of 32 gigs internal storage. Definitely this one is a lot better kumpara do sa pinada natin previously na Acer 8T2 na Android 10 Go. Processor wise, mas malakas yung Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor kumpara do sa MediaTek based processor nung Acer. So far sa impressions ko, even with the 7,000 pricing, lalo na wala masyadong nilalabas ngayon na Android na local Android tablets. Ang mga kalaban lang nito so far is yung with the likes of the Huawei MatePad T10 nasa 6,990 pero wala siyang cellular connectivity and some might magkaroon ng problem na wala siyang Google Play GMS, pero processor wise hawak na tataobin nung sa MatePad T10 yung processor power na to kumpara dito on this one, which with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 lang. Pero with an Antutu nito na nasa less than 100,000 for Google Meet, simple na mga word processing, okay lang. Pero pang gaming nito siguro pang ano lang to, Mobile Legends siguro. Netflix okay. Definitely it's okay kasi may kang problema sa Google nito. Currently, iba-iba yung presyo ng nitong Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019. We have lalagay natin sa description below kung available pa to sa postpaid na Smart, which we got this one on Smart. Pinobay ito ng Smart sa atin. And if you buy this as an open line version, iba-iba yung presyo, pero not mistaken, ang official price nito is nasa 6,890 pesos. And ang listing nung listing naman nung ni ePhone sa Shopee, binibenta nila for more than 8,000 pesos, which medyo stiff for the price. I'll for this particular date, mas gusto ko bilhin ko to 6,990 pesos. Kung gusto mo ng isang tablet na rekta from Samsung, wala kang aalahanin sa Google services. This still a good entry level phone, lalo sa tablet, lalo yung may mga kids na naghahanap ngayon ng tablet, lalo ngayon magkakaroon na naman ng online class this September. So that's it. Yung review na ito popost natin sa pin comment or sa description below. Please follow our social media accounts at the description below, and please subscribe to Ronald at DJ by hitting that subscribe button, also um, activating that notification bell, and of course check our website ronaldtodj.com. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this Ronald the DJ.